Hey there, so glad you're here. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful customer support platforms available, Zendesk. If you've been searching for a tool to manage tickets, conversations, and customer relationships all in one place, stick around. I've spent time exploring everything from its features to its pricing to give you a full picture of how Zendesk really works in a real-world support setting. Right from the start, Zendesk makes a strong impression. Its dashboard feels like a command center, giving you a unified view of all customer interactions, whether it's email, live chat, phone, or social media. You don't need to jump between tabs or tools. Everything's right there, organized and streamlined, which is a huge plus for teams handling high-ticket volumes. One of Zendesk's biggest strengths is its automation. You can build workflows that auto-assign tickets based on tags, priority, or department. Triggers, macros, and bots help handle repetitive tasks like sending updates, closing solved tickets, or even answering common questions. This means your team can focus on the tough stuff while automation handles the rest. The AI features are getting stronger too. Zendesk's AI doesn't try to replace your agents, it empowers them. It suggests relevant articles, predicts intent, and even flags customer sentiment. It's a smart layer that helps agents move faster and respond more accurately without feeling overwhelmed by ticket queues. Reporting is another major win. With built-in analytics dashboards, you can track resolution times, CSAT scores, SLA performance, and agent productivity. Want to know how many tickets come in from social media compared to email? You can see it in a few clicks. The reports are customizable, visual, and help decision-makers spot bottlenecks quickly. Now, let's talk about pricing. Zendesk starts with a basic plan at around $19 per agent per month. That gives you standard ticketing tools and multi-channel support. But if you need more advanced features like SLAs, in-depth analytics, and automation, you'll likely move up to plans ranging from $55 to over $115 per agent per month. There's also a custom-priced enterprise plan for large organizations with specific compliance or security needs. It's important to keep in mind that Zendesk's cost can climb quickly. Some features like advanced bots, workforce management, or data compliance tools aren't included in the base price. You may need to purchase them separately, which can significantly increase the total cost, especially as your team grows. Despite the price, many businesses feel it's worth it. Teams often report improved resolution times, happier customers, and better internal collaboration. Zendesk brings all departments, support, sales, and even product closer to the customer journey, which improves the overall experience. And that's something hard to put a price on. That said, Zendesk isn't perfect. For smaller teams or startups, the learning curve and cost might be a little steep. Some users find the setup process confusing or time-consuming, especially when configuring automations and integrations. It takes time to fully unlock its potential, and you'll need a bit of technical know-how to get there. The interface is clean and modern, but because it offers so much functionality, it can feel overwhelming at first. Fortunately, Zendesk provides lots of tutorials and a community forum which helps. Once you've passed the initial learning phase, the experience becomes much smoother and more intuitive. Scalability is a strong point. Zendesk isn't just for small support teams, it's built to scale with you. Whether you have a 5-person help desk or a 500-agent call center, Zendesk adapts. You can assign roles, set permissions, and even create sandbox environments to test changes before they go live. It's a great option for companies that expect to grow fast. Zendesk's app marketplace is also worth mentioning. With over 1,000 apps and integrations, you can connect it with tools like Slack, Salesforce, Zoom, and your CRM of choice. And if your team has unique workflows, you can build custom apps using their API. The flexibility here is a huge win for teams that already rely on a complex tech stack. The mobile app is another thing I tested, and it's surprisingly strong. Agents can manage tickets, respond to chats, and check dashboards on the go. If your support team is hybrid or remote, this is incredibly useful. Notifications are real-time and updates sync quickly across platforms. Zendesk's chatbot and self-service tools are solid too. You can build a help center where customers can search for answers, submit tickets, or chat with bots 24/7. The bot builder lets you customize conversations based on keywords or customer behavior. It's a game changer for reducing support volume without sacrificing service quality. One thing that stood out to me was how Zendesk brings your whole customer journey into one view. You can track customer activity, purchase history, previous conversations, all in one place. This context helps agents deliver more personalized support, and it shows customers that you truly know them. If you're in a regulated industry like healthcare or finance, Zendesk offers data compliance tools, audit logs, and custom security settings. Features like role-based access, data residency controls, and encryption help keep customer data safe. It's a platform that can handle sensitive information with confidence. And if your team handles support in multiple languages or regions, no worries. Zendesk supports multilingual content, automatic language detection, and even localization tools for your knowledge base. This is a big deal for global companies aiming for a consistent customer experience across countries. The feedback from actual users is largely positive. Many highlight how Zendesk helped them scale without losing control, and how it centralized all their customer communication. Of course, there are complaints too, mostly about pricing or the need to upgrade plans to access certain features, but overall the satisfaction rate is high. So, should you try Zendesk? If you're running a growing business that values excellent customer experience, the answer is yes. It's more than just a help desk, it's a full-scale support ecosystem that can adapt as you scale. But make sure to calculate your total cost with add-ons and consider whether your team is ready to invest time into the setup. Thanks for sticking with me to the end of this review. If Zendesk sounds like something your team could benefit from, I suggest starting with a trial and exploring the suite plan that matches your needs. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want me to compare Zendesk with other tools like Freshdesk, Intercom, or Help Scout. See you in the next video.